to show you 2017 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.